Another video. In today's video, I will be building an RC car. So, I already have this built. It came built already. So I'm just going to build the actual car itself. So I'm gonna do time lapse and see you when we get there. Okay guys, so you probably saw that I built it in time lapse. So now here's the vehicle. Here's the remote. I turned it on, so that's why that light's blink. And I turned the bottom on to actually show you guys that it works. Sorry guys, I pressed the wrong button. There we go. Huh? Guys, it's not working. Oh, there it goes. It works. There's the turning. It works fine. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you next time.